ZW3D Mechanical Design. ZW3D provides a full set of tools for mechanical design from part design to whole assembly production, as well as offering various analysis tools and simulation functions to help the designer complete their design. Parametrical design and part family. Insert mass existing variables and expressions with equation set. Input variable as dimension. Create complicated curves with the equation curve function. Pattern feature by variables. Change variable's value to verify. Assembly design. Insert part from the built-in part library. Align the inserted gear. Add mechanical constraint for gear pair. Interference check helps eliminate the design error. Modify design according to the interference check. Top-down design improves design efficiency by synchronously updating the related components. Updating the related components. PMI and 2D sheet. ZW3D PMI is based on the View Manager to create and manage. Adding PMI is just like adding your 2D dimension by picking the geometry you want to dimension. Annotations like feature control, surface finish, datum text, and so on can all be added. Besides, all the 3D annotations can be associatively inherited by 2D sheet. Analysis and simulation, SimWise for ZW3D, built-in motion simulation and animation. SimWise for ZW3D supports directly opening a ZW3D's model for finite element analysis. ZW3D built-in simulation helps you to quickly check your design if workable or not. Built-in animation helps show how the design mechanism works. Also, for the exploded view, use animation to simulate the assembly process. (2D drawing based on exploded view). Render for ZW3D. Directly call KeyShot from ZW3D and transfer the ZW3D's model to KeyShot for rendering. ZW3D provides a solution for mechanical design.